Okay, so, hi. We're on a tier list because today we're going to be ranking the books and, all of the episodes. Yay! But yeah, so let us begin. Okay, let's name it Horrible. Like, it was just boring and everything. Oh my god, I can't type. And let's name this one Ew. Meh. Yes. And legendary. Oh my god, voice crack. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. I'm sorry, but I really did not like I didn't like the. Okay, so I just had to get an omelet because I was hungry. Okay. The one I hate, I'm sorry, but like the Austere Academy was so boring. I'm like sorry. Like I love the Quagmires and everything, but it was boring. Like, I'm sorry. Do not hate on me. Okay. I'm sorry. I just felt like that was kind of boring as well. Okay. Where was the Okay, so that. Okay, sorry. I liked Stefano's disguise, and I really liked Uncle Monty, but I also kind of found it boring. And I'm also sorry. I'm sorry. The bad beginning as well. Like, I'm literally sorry. Meh. Okay, for meh, we're gonna have to go with the slippery slope and the grim grotto. Yes. There's elevator because Esme, the Vile Village, the Vile Hospital because Dr. Faustus, the wide window, and the end. And then God tier, the penultimate. I know this is like the penultimate peril, and like the miserable mill are my favorites. Like, I'm sorry, they just are. Like, I'm being serious. It's like there's something so good about it, and I'm not even sure what. I just like it. But yeah. So now we will be moving on to the books. Okay, books. Haven't read the end. There's elevator. Hostel, hospital, Royal Village, bad beginning. Yeah. Alright. Sorry. And like, I'm sorry. I can't help it. I can't help it. Okay. No. No. Yes. These are like completely like, yeah. That's all I have to say. Okay. That is the end of the video because I have nothing. Oh my god, it's Donald Trump. Because I have nothing else to do. Whoopee.